Hello, folks. So it's day 2 of the summer gospel fest put on by the Bethel Gospel Chapel here in California, where yours truly is the keynote speaker for the weekend. Today we're having somewhat of a breakout session with the young people, and we're just going to get into it. A little bit of highlights of what our day was like, and we want to once again thank those folks at Bethel for inviting us over. We totally are appreciative of it. And of course, it's really nice to be used by God to encourage other folks.
Who was the most wealthiest person in the Bible? You said Solomon? Pharaoh's daughter. Because she went to the bank of the Nile and pulled out a little profit. So, why did Noah have to rebuke the chickens on the ark? Anybody? Because they were all there using foul language. A dream. Every life in here has a purpose. None of us in this house today must walk out of here not realizing our purpose. From the youngest to the greatest, there's a purpose. All right? I want to say that because it's important. We have gotten to that place, as I said before, where we want to see the results. And we say, well, I don't waste the Saturday night. It's not a waste, I promise you. Anywhere God's word is being preached, anywhere the word is open to your understanding, it's not a waste. Something is there that will come out of it. We're back in the book of Genesis, and we're at Genesis 39. And I just want to run through this a little bit in the small amount of time that we have. We don't normally preach long anyway, we just get to the point. So Joseph had been taken down to Egypt, and Potiphar, the officer of Pharaoh, captain of the guard, an Egyptian, brought him from the Ishmaelites who had taken him down there. Remember the story where his brothers got so angry with him that they planned to kill him, and because one was merciful, they said, put him in a pit, and then they sold him to traders who traveled from Canaan to Egypt, and they sold him to an Ishmaelite, to the Ishmaelites. And they, in turn, sold it to.
So after what was a great day at church, we were heading back to our hotel when we stopped at the CM Chicken. Yes, that's CM Chicken on Western Avenue in Gardena. Guys, we've never had Korean fried chicken before, so it was a great place to stop. The decor was nice and clean and very quaint. And of course, their menu was not too extensive. Everything surrounded chicken. Yes, Korean style fried chicken with different flavors and different side orders that you could have. One of the popular one was their snow onion chicken. So we had to put that on the order. Yes, guys. So we're just giving you a slight taste of what we experienced. It started out with the pickled radish, which was great, tasted sweet, and of course nice and crunchy. And it gave you kimchi vibes. Yeah, and it was great. It was really good. I think my wife enjoyed it as well. As I said, our first time trying most of what we had. We didn't have an extensive amount of meals, but what we had was really good. We also had the sweet potato fries, which they sprinkled powdered sugar on this one, and that was quite unusual for us, but it was really good. It was crunchy, it was crispy, and they served it with ketchup. A little powdered sugar don't hurt. The fries themselves without the sugar was not sweet at all, and so it was a nice little unusual taste. Yeah, and the powdered sugar kept flying out of her mouth, but we enjoyed that. Then came the main meal, which is our chicken, and I promise you guys,
So this is garlic hot and original with a side of cabbage. We have the onions, and what is the onion sauce called?
onion sauce.
Onion sauce. Bon appetit. Is that good?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
it's good. This is like no normal chicken.
Well seasoned.
Not only that, it's almost like, let me tell you, almost like Jollibee, but better.
Oh. No sauce needed. It's hot.
Take your time. How is it?
Perfect blend of sweet and spicy.
Wow.
It's a little bit too spicy for me, but
It's too spicy for you? That's why you take the onions.
oh,
Put some onion name out.
and the cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else
Yeah.
is balanced of the spiciness.
Right. That's.
But I love the crispiness.
We
tender
could
on
switch.
the inside.
You could try some of the
Mexican.
regular. Craving.
Overall, it was an amazing experience. The onion sauce that you saw that was shown earlier was supposed to be served on top of the chicken, but our server, suggested that we take it on the side since we were kind of iffy about it. Yeah, so that was nice of her. But guys, it's some of the best chicken we've ever had, hands
Truth.
down.
Talk truth.
Remember, we tell you. Yeah. So Yardie by the kitchen, Yardie by the TV, out and about again, trying some new and improved and different type of foods. And stick and stay because we have many more of these types of videos to come.
And so them have one CM chicken in North Miami. So you know where I forgot drive go North Miami from Port St. Lucie, right?
Of course, you don't have to ask me.
Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you get a chance to stop by your local CM chicken and get it.